The WORKEASE 8-piece diamond polishing pad set offers a thoughtfully chosen grit range from coarse stock removal to fine finishing, making it versatile for everything from initial leveling to final gloss work on stone surfaces. These 6-inch pads use a dense diamond and resin matrix that cuts quickly yet stays flexible, so they conform well to edges and curves without gouging the material. The inclusion of a dedicated wool felt pad gives you a final buffing step that can really bring out a deep shine on granite, marble, and engineered stone once the scratch pattern has been refined. Being able to run the discs in both wet and dry modes is very convenient, with the lower grits handling either method and the higher grits optimized for use with water to keep dust down and enhance clarity. The hook and loop backing makes pad changes fast, and the backing plate fits common variable speed polishers, angle grinders, and other rotary tools as long as you stay within the recommended speed range. In practical use, this kit covers a wide range of materials from kitchen countertops and concrete benches to tile edges and small restoration jobs. So one compact set can handle most stone polishing tasks in a workshop or on site.